Sini here, and
Dustin.
we are unpacking his own Camino stuff. Are you doing the Camino this year with me, babe?
I am doing the Camino this year with you.
Oh, so cool. I may have a partner.
You do have a partner.
Okay, so what did you get for your Camino?
I got
Merino socks. Nice.
Step
Merino
one.
wool socks is very important for your Camino. And what shoes did you pick?
I picked some Ultra.
Oh,
They're
cool.
Max Track. I don't know if that's the model.
Very cool. Stay out there. Nice. It even has Velcros for the gaiters, if you choose to wear them. Nice tracks. White-toed. Wide
Toe box.
toe box that I love. That's awesome. Very exciting. What else did you get?
I got, and our opinions differ here, but I got a poncho.
Yeah,
So
I'm a rain jacket person
Yeah.
and umbrella.
I plan on wearing a rain jacket also, but having this to be able to cover my bag and my head so I don't feel rain on my head. Yes, I think that
Awesome.
would be a good item.
Very cool.
This is a charge pack.
Oh, nice.
I believe it's wireless, power bank also.
Yeah, your phone is very old, hey? It
Yeah.
drains the battery pretty fast.
Yeah, so this could come in handy. I'll charge it up each night. What do we have? A USB adapter.
Oh, right. For the, like just for getting extra USB ports?
Yes.
Nice. That will help because some of our days only have the one by your bed. So then, yeah,
Yeah.
like
And it-
3.
And it also has a longer cord. I believe it said 47 inches, but we'll see. It is, yeah, just to give a little more reach, versatility.
Nice. I like
Okay.
it.
Another controversial item. This is a foam pad. For
Yeah,
sitting on.
I'm like just a little mat kind of person. But it is very tiny and very light.
It folds out.
Nice. Matches your shoes.
Yes, exactly. This
Nice.
gives me somewhere dry to sit. So, and
Yeah.
it folds up pretty compact.
Nice. I like that.
Eye patch
All right, for sleeping.
for sleeping.
Yeah, necessary. People do turn on their lights and flashlights and whatnot. So in the over days, so it will definitely help.
Another sleeping essential, earplugs.
Ah,
And these
cool.
ones come with different sizes, so hopefully one of them fits my
Yeah, we
ears.
should test them out before. I like that they're reusable and they look almost like headphones, not headphones,
Earbuds.
earbuds. Yes, they look like earbuds. So that's kind of cool. Very soft silicone. I like it a lot. Nice.
Yeah. Cool.
Good choice.
What is
Oh,
this?
your towel.
This is my towel.
Your microfiber towel.
Yes. It seems even smaller than I thought it would be.
So some private albergues do provide towels, but on the municipal albergues, the towels are not provided. So it
It's
is
a little bag.
essential to have a towel. I like that it came with this mesh bag, so you can even, if it's wet, oh, it's not bad. It's a
not
good
bad.
size. Yeah, I like it. You can, and it comes with that too, which helps in the some albergues. There is nowhere to hang, so you gotta hang stuff off the door, so that helps you. Nice. Anything else?
A sleeping bag liner.
Oh, fantastic. So are you gonna take the silk liner instead of a sleeping bag?
That is currently my plan. We will see. We're debating whether we bring some lightweight sleeping bags in case we get into a situation where we don't have.
A place
to
to
sleep.
sleep and have to
Yeah.
sleep on a bench somewhere.
Yes.
But it does look nice.
Yeah, looks good quality.
Good,
And
yeah.
you're able to open it up or even just get your foot out.
It's
Like with a
ultra
two-way-
light, 280
zipper.
grams.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Aha,
Oh, a spork.
a spork. because you never know if there will be something to eat with. And
yeah,
it has
I like eating leftovers, and yeah.
multiple tools, spoon, bottle opener.
Yeah, I like it.
Comes
Very
in
cool.
handy.
Is it plastic or is it
No,
metal?
appears to be metal.
Oh, very cool.
Oh, did you put that back? Maybe you did. Or did they send two?
They sent
Maybe
two.
I sent, or I had two in my cart, and that happens. This is some individually wrapped carabiners. They are metal.
Nice. Carabiners are important too.
Yeah, and
They help.
that was a 5-pack.
Awesome. Thanks for sharing your Camino purchase with us.
Yes, yes. Looking forward
Thanks
to
for
going.
watching, and I'll see you guys again soon. Buen Camino. Bye.
Bye.